Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do peanut butter cornflakes. So first we're going to put around 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter in a preheated pan. Let it melt. And then now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of honey. We're gonna let it melt together. And now we're gonna put our peanut butter. So once everything is well mixed, then we're gonna put our cornflakes in. For me, I just put little by little just to make sure that the cornflakes is fully coated with the peanut butter. Okay guys, here's the funny part. I wanted to double boil this white chocolate, but what I didn't know is that white chocolate takes longer time to melt. So at this point I put it in the microwave, I double boil it again, and I gave up. So I just leave it on the stove. So since I don't have a piping bag, I put it in this IKEA Ziploc bag, and this is what happened. Now what I have is melted chocolate chip that I put it in the microwave. I thought it's a good idea, but it's not. When I find out that this is much nicer, so my inner Picasso is finally out. We freeze it overnight, and this is what you get. Overall, it tastes good, it looks good. The peanut butter blends well, and the chocolate is nice, so try it out.